The Wake County Register of Deeds is talking only with WRAL about the woman accused of filing a fraudulent deed, trying to claim someone else's home as her own.
I literally was in shock.
Five on your side, producer Pritchard Strong is here to explain why the Register agreed to talk with us about this. Pritchard.
Yeah, she really wanted to set the record straight. You know, this case got a lot of attention, and she said some people have misconceptions about her office's role in all of this. This is started all back in August when investigators say a woman named Dawn Mangum filed a fraudulent deed with Wake County Register of Deeds on this home owned by Dr. Craig Adams. Adams thinks Mangum was trying to squat in the home and use the deed to slow down the eviction process. Things never got that far, and after Adams found out about the deed, the sheriff's office arrested Mangum. Even though Mangum is charged and has no claim to the home, the fraudulent deed is still recorded in Wake County, and it's up to the homeowner to go to court and have the record corrected and pay those court costs.
It is insane that Dr. Adams has to pay to get this record removed. Insane. And there should be legislation that if fraud is proven, that it doesn't come back on the homeowner. But know that
And that could end up happening. There are a couple of different groups working on proposals to send to the legislature trying to prevent fraud like this.
So what's the misconception in all this that Bruner is trying to clear up?
It's that her office could have or should have done more to prevent this fraud from happening. She explained the Register of Deeds in each county is an administrative office. They're to record documents. The clerks and the registrar are not attorneys and can't make the determination about whether something is legitimate or not. And that's the same thing we heard from an attorney with no connection to this case that we've spoken with previously.
What else are we going to hear from that registrar tonight?
Yeah, so she said that her clerks did everything right in this case. She goes deeper into that explanation and why there really wasn't anything else that they could have done to prevent this. And then something really strange also happened when I was at the Register of Deeds for this story. We found out about it right after the interview with the registrar. We got surveillance video showing what happened and interviewed the clerk involved, and we'll show you all of that tonight coming up at 6 o'clock.
Super interesting. Can't wait to see the rest of that. Pritchard Strong, thank you for that, Renee.